Tutorial 2. This tutorial covers changing values for steps in campaign setup wizard. In this tutorial, we'll review the following. Turn tell a friend option to off, and then we will turn it on. This will turn off the tell a friend page in the campaign package link, and also we'll deal with the customizing the tag titles. Let me close tutorial 2 and let's go back to build campaign screen. Pull market my campaign from the pick list and click on tell a friend value and select the radio button no for tell a friend option. If we click on the campaign package link now, notice that tell a friend option has been or page has been turned off. This is in case you do not want tell a friend page to be included in your campaign, or at any time you want to make a change, you can do so by turning off the option. Go back to tell a friend page, tell a friend option in the build campaign, and let's turn it on. That is yes, the radio button selected. Go back to the campaign package link. Let's close this message and click on visit us for more details. Campaign package link and tell a friend option has been turned on. The tag titles, that is the web link, profile, and tell a friend titles. You see, you can change the titles of these tabs. For this, let's go back to build campaign, click on tag titles. Instead of default, let's select the radio button for custom. By default, web link, tell a friend, profile values were selected. Now let's change the titles for these tags. Enter the word, spread the word. In web link, we can enter our offerings, and in profile we can enter how can we help. Save it. Let's go back to the email and close the message link, and now let's click on campaign package visit us for more detail link, and if you notice the tag titles have been changed to web link has been changed from web link to our offerings, profile has been changed to how can we help, tell a friend has been changed to spread the word. So that way, at any time, even after you have sent the emails, you can change the contents of the campaign package link. Let's go back to build the campaign. Now let me show you, since we clicked on campaign package link a few times, and also the web link opened by default, let me show you how these counts have reflected in the online reporting through the track campaign screen. And let's pull market my campaign. Let's click on the go button. Now if you see, the numbers have changed. The visits have gone up from 1 to 4 since we clicked a few times, and also the web link count has gone up from 1 to 4, gone up by 3, and also the time has changed from previous to the current time. That's how Officer Campaigner provides the instant online reporting to you of your customers' actions, their time of action, and also the inquiries, which we will cover in one of the next tutorials. Now let's go back to Build Campaign. Let me show you a few more things. You can practice yourself. Click on this campaign package link. If you see the campaign package link, this is being provided to attract or to build the opt-in traffic from electronic media. You can copy paste this link to the search engine links, your social media sites like LinkedIn, your connections, your groups, or Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and so on and so forth. From branding perspective, they look very much alike. However, if you click on how can we help, once a new a prospect who you don't have in the system, they click on how can we help, it prompts them for name and email address. Once they enter it, their information gets entered into the officer campaigner against the track campaign, against this campaign, and email is automatically sent to them. And once they receive the email, they can also refer the friends. However, here we have this tab for spread the word, but if they click on it for referring their friends, they cannot, since it asks for how can we help. It kind of tells them to go to how can we help, get their information, and then after that they receive the email campaign, and they can, similar to what we saw in case of John, and then they can refer their friends as well, and they can edit any of their information. We will cover the details in one of the next tutorials. Also, a QR code has been provided to you in this campaign, which you can use to print on your business cards. If you see, this is an image file, you can download it. You can get this printed on any of the print media, which is your business cards, your the flyers, direct mail, advertising, and so on and so forth. So this you can use for building the opt-in traffic from print media. These are just the examples. However, you can use this combination in any way you want it. And this concludes tutorial 2. Thank you.